Many people ask me, what should I do if the new channel has no traffic and no fans, and it can't be done after a month or two? The new channel is not easy to do. We all know that making videos at first is very difficult. Today, I will introduce you to a very practical and effective method that will allow you to quickly break through 1,000 followers. First step. In just one sentence, you can tell people what your channel looks like. If you don't know what your channel is for, as a viewer, he comes to a new channel, and the content subscription is very confusing. Then why did he subscribe to you? Step 2. To find accounts in the same domain as yours. When you have a clear channel positioning, it's easy to find a tuber that does the same content as you, right? Third step. Subscribe to his account. Follow him at any time. The fourth step, when they update a video, we have to come in as soon as possible. The video that has just been updated, we will point it right away. If you want to finish watching this video, be the first to leave a comment in his video message area. What's the use of doing this? If our message is the first to comment, many people will see our message. And our comment content is very well written and very attentive. The viewers will even give us a like and they may click into our channel to take a look. The fifth step. Now that we know we want to leave a message, what do we want to write in the message? We need to sort out and summarize the content of his entire video. This shows that you really watched his video seriously, and then there are many viewers who will find it useful after watching your combing, and then they are more likely to give you a thumbs up. And finally, the most crucial step, we want to attract more people to our own channel. It is to make friendly comments in the original author's comment area and recommend her followers to her channel. I believe this method will definitely help you gain a lot of traffic and fans in the initial stage of the most difficult channel. I suggest that you try it today, and if it works well, remember to come back and let me know. If today's show is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to support a wave. See you in the next video.